Welcome to this Better Business Writing Skills course, where you will learn the skills, tips and tricks of persuasive writing. My name is Mark Morris. I'm an award-winning speechwriter with over 10 years of experience writing at the very highest level. I've written for senior politicians in the United Kingdom and internationally, including for 2 former Prime Ministers. I designed this course for anyone who needs to write as part of their work or business. By the end of the course, you will be able to write in a way that changes how people think, feel, or act, be they your customers, your colleagues, or your boss. In this course, I'll take you through the 3 phases of writing: planning, writing, and editing. We'll cover vital topics such as setting your objectives and understanding your reader. We'll look at structure, word choice, and persuasion. And I'll take you through how to edit with confidence so you can take your reader from where they are to where you want them to be. The ideal student for this course is someone who writes as part of their work, or for entrepreneurs who need to write well to ensure the success of their business. Whether you write emails, reports, marketing copy, articles or speeches, this course is for you. So feel free to look through the course description, and I look forward to seeing you inside.